Good morning, everyone. Hi, I'm Dr Jesal Rathod. I'm a plastic surgeon practicing in Raipur. I have just completed my fellowship in cosmetic surgery under Dr Rajat Gupta sir. I met sir in a conference about 6 months back, where I was talking to him and I shared my keen interest in cosmetic surgery. So he told me about the fellowship program which is run by him under himself, and I was so happy to hear that, because according to me there are very few people who teach cosmetic surgery in India, and to get this kind of fellowships and this kind of exposure in India, it's something which is fabulous for all the young plastic surgeons. So when I visited here for a month, I had come for a week before, and then I visited this time for 3 weeks. In this period, I have seen and assisted and seen so many surgeries. The numbers are around 60 pure cosmetic surgeries which I have seen. These include from blepharoplasties, upper and lower blepharoplasties. I've seen transconjunctival approach and subciliary approach. I've seen otoplasties. I've seen facial fat grafting. I think there were 4 facelifts which I was a part of, which is very good, because we hardly see facelifts ever in India. And I've seen facial fat grafting. I've seen chin liposuction, buccal fat reduction, fat grafting in the chin, gynecomastia, so many of them, tummy tucks, liposuctions, BBLs, liposculpting of the abdomen, thigh liposuction, hymenoplasties, and the list goes on. All these surgeries are done with global standards, and other surgeries like breast augmentations, breast reductions, mastopexies. I mean, these surgeries which we hardly see ever in India, which are done by us, so following all the global standards. So I think it's a best learning program we can get. And why do we need to go outside India when we can learn these things with Dr Rajat Gupta in Delhi itself? And this is such a boon for all the young plastic surgeons, and I would recommend everyone who is interested in plastic surgery to come and learn from sir, because you can start doing all your surgeries after you learn from him.